Where has the sounds of silence appeared in pop culture? Have you ever wondered how a song can transcend time and culture? The Sounds of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel is a perfect example. This song, released in the mid-1960s, is not just a classic. It has made its mark in various aspects of pop culture. Initially, the song gained immense popularity after producer Tom Wilson added a rock band to its original folk version. This change transformed it into a folk rock sensation, helping to define the genre during the 1960s. The success of The Sounds of Silence propelled Simon and Garfunkel into the spotlight, making them household names. One of the most memorable moments for this song came with the 1967 film, The Graduate. While the song itself did not feature in the movie, the duo's rise to fame led to their music being included in the film's soundtrack. The soundtrack, which also featured Mrs. Robinson, became iconic and further solidified Simon and Garfunkel's place in pop culture history. Live performances of The Sounds of Silence also played a significant role in its cultural impact. The duo showcased their harmonious vocals and acoustic instrumentation in numerous shows during the 1960s. A standout performance took place at Granada Studios in Manchester, United Kingdom, in 1967. These live shows captivated audiences and highlighted the essence of their music. The song's themes of introspection and social commentary reflected the mood of the 1960s. Its haunting melody and poignant lyrics resonated with a generation seeking change and questioning societal norms. This cultural significance has made The Sounds of Silence a staple of 1960s nostalgia, evoking memories of a transformative period in American history. Today, The Sounds of Silence remains a beloved classic. It is often referenced or covered in contemporary music and media. Many artists have drawn inspiration from Simon and Garfunkel, blending folk and rock elements to create meaningful music. This song continues to evoke memories of a bygone era, symbolizing the musical and cultural shifts of the 1960s. So, next time you hear The Sounds of Silence, remember its journey through pop culture and the lasting impact it has had on music and society.